All right, lift gate support strut replacement for 84 through 94 Jeep Cherokees XJ. Already did one. This is the original. This is the new one. They come in these nice packages. Already cut it. Got it out of there. So I'm filming with one hand, so I only have one hand. So these come with the clips already. And so you pop those out by hand there. I'm gonna get them out and get them ready for our little installation here. So pop that out, and I'm gonna put that right there so it's ready to grab. So here's what we're replacing. Just come up here, same clips, pop them out. Should come right out. Move down to the bottom, pop that out. Should come right out. Now, I suggest having a support, but I'm using my head right now. There we go. Pull that out. That should just come right off. So tricky. I got my my head holding the support up here, but there we go. I just put that on and come around here. Kind of turn this. Yeah, kind of turn this to face the receiver there. That's on. And that's on. Grab our clips. Find the hole there. Okay. And see if I can actually switch hands. Right-handed. Should have been filming left-handed. That's okay though. Alright. The clip in there. And wrap it down around. That's secure. Same with this one. Switch hands again. Take our clip. Just gonna find that hole over here. Back off of it a little bit. There we go. Got it. And there you go. So that is how you do it. Very easy. Got my old ones here. And take my stick here. Maybe we can retire that. And let's see. Ah! Beautiful. Now let's try lifting it up. Haha, nice. There you go, guys. Link in the description below for that part. It's the best one that I could find on Amazon, and I appreciate you guys. Let me know in the comments if this helped. Until next time.